one day I noticed my air conditioning wasn't working. And so I called Baker Brothers. They sent a technician out. I think his name was Chris. He was very good, very thorough. Told me that I had a dead blower motor and a leak of Freon in the compressor, and it was going to be quite expensive to repair. So I decided to get a new unit. He showed me several options, and I chose the no interest for 5 years. Got a very nice unit. They came out, 2 technicians wearing masks, and replaced pretty much everything. And I would recommend it to my friends and family.